How to find or change your YouTube TV password. Your YouTube TV password is linked to your Google account, as YouTube TV is accessed through Google. If you've forgotten or need to change your YouTube TV password, here's how you can recover or reset it. 1. If you forgot your YouTube TV password. Since YouTube TV uses your Google account to log in, you'll need to recover or reset your Google account password. Steps to recover your password. Go to Google Account Recovery. Visit the Google Account Recovery page. Enter your email address. Enter the email address linked to your YouTube TV account. Follow the recovery steps. Google will guide you through the process to reset your password. You may be asked to enter the last password you remember. Confirm your identity via email, phone, or security questions. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you'll be able to create a new password. After resetting, you can use the new password to sign into your YouTube TV account. 2. If you know your password and just need to change it. If you want to change your Google account password, which will also change your YouTube TV password, follow these steps. Steps to change your password. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account page and log in with your current email and password. Go to the Security section. On the left side of the screen, click on Security. Change your password. Under the Signing into Google section, select Password. Enter your current password to verify your identity. Enter a new password and confirm it. Save changes. After changing the password, click Change Password to save it. You can now use your updated password to sign into YouTube TV. By following these steps, you can either recover your forgotten password or change it to a new one for your YouTube TV account.